Come on, Zoe. You gonna go to sleep or are you gonna wake up? You gonna wake up? Wow, that was nearly a smile. Was you nearly smiling then? Huh? Just a minute every time, of course, if you don't mind. Wow! Somebody put the boxing gloves on your feet. Zoe! Zoe! Come on. Zoe!